Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign into your Dropbox account and install the desktop app. Once installed, open Preferences and go to Backups to enable the feature. This tells Dropbox which local folders to watch. Pick primary folders, desktop, documents, pictures, or add custom folders by clicking Add Folder. Make sure you have enough storage. Dropbox will warn you if the selected folders exceed your plan. Once done, the app starts an initial sync, so files are captured, and version history begins. Now fine-tune how Dropbox backs up your system. You can use Smart Sync or Selective Sync to keep large files online only and save disk space. Choose per folder settings. Then open Bandwidth in Preferences to limit upload speed during work hours, and set a scheduler if you want backups to run at off-peak times. Make sure external drives are included if needed, and confirm which file types or app data you want excluded. This reduces conflicts and keeps backups predictable and efficient. Finish by verifying the initial sync finished. Open Dropbox, compare file counts and modified timestamps to ensure everything transferred. Learn to use version history and rewind to recover accidental edits or mass deletions, because backups are only useful if you can restore. If sync stalls or files aren't updating, pause and resume sync, restart the app, or unlink and relink your account to re-establish connections. One tip: check the Dropbox desktop app's sync icon and notifications for specific error messages to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.